Okay guys, ATM tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa ating icon shop. Ayan, this is PCX 160. Sample video natin ng ating ginawang setup lights para dito sa PCX 160 white. Ayan yung high beam, low beam. Ayan yung low beam guys. Icon, mini driving light version 2. Tapos yung high beam, alright. Passing light, papasing, low beam nagpapasing. High beam nagpapasing, okay. Dual mode ng stock horn. Okay. Stock horn para legal, LTO legal. Tapos switch mode ng PIA. Ayan. Tapos with rapid mode. Alright. Passing light, rapid, kusina, low beam, passing, high beam, passing. Kung mga gusto mag-avail lang ganitong packages wish nyo lang ako Tan Indotai Concept Ayan so super lakas, icon, mini driving light. Alright. Number 9, CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City Ways at Tan Indotai Concept, okay? Alright.